Hey everyone, if you're looking for an amazing truck that has a camper shell, then check out this 2016 GMC Canyon. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have your chromed out grille with your GMC badge right there, big and bold in the middle. Then you have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. This could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it will be our 5-year, 60,000 mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woody's. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information on that. Looking down at your mirrors, they are powered. Your driver's side has a corner mirror so you can see easier into your blind spot. And you have these running boards to help you up in the front and the back seat. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these tan cloth seats. It has this cool pattern in the middle there, and your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your cruise controls, cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls are on the back. Then looking at your media center right there, you have your radio options. You also have phone settings so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, and then you have a compass right there. But all of your apps are on this page. You have projection manager, so if you want to project your phone screen onto your media center screen, you can. You also have all your settings right there. Then down below you have your radio controls, and then your climate controls are right here. You have your LCD display so you can see the precise temperature you are at. You also have a bed light, your traction control, and your hazards there, with your USB port, aux port, and a 12 volts so you can charge your devices. You also have two cup holders with that nice wood grain accenting. And then inside of your center console, you have lots of room, and you also have another USB port. This does have a Bose sound system, so you have that amplified sound. And then you have your OnStar, which is subscribable. Let's look at the back seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You do have a cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders. And you have your 2 USB ports and a 12 volt right there. You can fold these seats up as well, so you can see there's kind of some organizational space right there. And then you also have a power sliding, or not power, but you have a sliding back window right there. So, making your way around the side, you can see your nice big camper shell, 4x4 decal on the side, and you have a tow package at the bottom with your hookups right here. You also have these corner steps if you need to be able to get into the back when if you don't have the camper shell on. So you have this nice door to get inside the back, and you can see your tailgate still in there. So if you do want to take the camper shell off, you can. You have a bed liner in the back of your bed, and it is just really nice and protected from your camper shell and from and with your bed liner in there. So overall, if you are looking for just a great truck, has really low mileage. It has about under 15,000 miles on it, and plus it has everything, that media center, and then again everything back here. So if you want to see this truck or any of our other trucks, visit our website WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.